In search of healthy keto, unstuffed, low carb keto cabbage roll. If you want to know how I did the meat, the minced meat sauteed, and how I did the cabbage leaves taken out from the cabbage, you can see the video I had before this about Golooptsy. So if you don't want to wrap those things and you want to just lump them together, you can throw in those cabbage leaves. On the bottom, put some tomato sauce and put the sauteed meat that normally goes inside the cabbage roll. So that stuffing goes in there, and you put all this cabbage leaves on top again, few of the leftovers from the one if you didn't want to stuff. Put a little bit of sour cream and a little bit of tomato sauce. Set the oven for about 70 minutes, normally 1 hour to 70 minutes at 325 degrees. Make sure you cover the tray or the pan. You seal it on the top with the foil. And that's it. About an hour, your unstuffed cabbage roll or Golooptsy or casserole will be ready. Right after 1 hour, keto unstuffed cabbage roll, unstuffed Golooptsy, low carb. Enjoy. Right after 1 hour, here it is, unstuffed low carb keto cabbage rolls, keto Golooptsy. Enjoy.